First, put the mounting frame just rested in the back of the bed and pick up the wheel arm. Sit that over the tailgate. Put the mounting pin in the mounting frame. Position the wheel on the back wheel of the RTV in the correct position on the RTV's back tyre, but still holding the mounting frame. The wheel arm must be parallel with the tailgate. Now this is where you need to mark the holes of where you're going to drill the bed to fit the frame. Remove the wheel arm from the frame. Relocate the frame where your marks are. And then double check underneath the bed to make sure you're not going to drill into something expensive. When you're happy with the position, drill the holes. Once the holes are drilled, place the bolts in the holes. Put the mounting plate underneath and screw the bolt into the threaded part of the plate, making sure you're not trapping any wiring and it's nice and safe. Holding the plate underneath and using a spanner or a ratchet, just give it the final tight and tighten this bolt so the mounting bracket doesn't move. Now the mounting frame is secure, fit the wheel arm to the mounting frame and secure with a pin, and check the alignment. Now to fit the belt, hook it over the wheel so it's by the pulley, twist the belt so it's in a figure of 8 and hook it onto the top of the mounting bracket. Now pick up your winder and put in the pin. Pick up the belt, swing the winder over, hook it on the top pulley and onto the bottom pulley, out over the tensioner and pull the winder back, and then put in the stay bar and replace the knob. Now your belt is tight for work and ready to wind the wire in.